Hi everybody, today I want to show you this ProtoArc keyboard that I just got. It's really nice. It has 104 keys for the design. It's perfect for whether you're gaming or just regular use for work or just at home for your computer. It has lights so you can be customizing it. It has 3 different ways to use it. It has a battery charge, so you can connect it to a USB cord to the computer and it will charge it. And also you can either connect it wirelessly and through Bluetooth. So this is the box that comes in. It has more specifics in the back, but it's really low profile. I mean, this is the box, but I'll show you when it comes out. See, it comes really nicely wrapped, and here we go. A really nice modern look. If you can look at the buttons, so the buttons are not surrounded, so you can actually see the mechanics of it, you know, like that, which I think is pretty cool. It makes it look very modern, futuristic. And again, there is light underneath. It has the instructions right here, or the manual. It has the USB cord, and it has the key bracket so that you can take the keys and change them and program it any way you want. So if you don't want the cue to be in the place it is, you can take it out and reprogram the keyboard. So again, you can connect it wirelessly through the USB cord or through Bluetooth. Also, it works for Mac or Windows computers. So that's awesome. That's a plus. So I had a good chance to try it out, and over here I'm gonna show you all the different patterns of lights that this keyboard has. I find it extremely interesting. It's really a talking piece. You know, again, I have my wife over here and look in my office, and just doing this again is something that is really cool. So I hope you guys like it as much as I'm enjoying it.